Are you ready for a meal that's bursting with flavor that will excite your taste buds? With only a few easy steps and a handful of ingredients, it's quick, it's easy to prepare, and it's got ingredients that are better for you. So let's take a look while Chef Andrew prepares these tasty turkey tacos. One bite and your mouth will be watering. Using ground turkey can make for a lighter, leaner meal. Choosing very lean ground turkey made from turkey breast is lower in saturated fat than ground beef. But often people shy away from ground turkey because it's milder in flavor and can sometimes dry out. This recipe uses lots of spices to get plenty of flavor, and it's simmered in tomato sauce, onion, and a little water, which gives it the perfect amount of moisture. For some added fiber and protein, you could also add canned, drained, low-sodium black beans to your turkey. Using a packaged taco seasoning adds unneeded sodium. Instead, we combine a bunch of tasty spices without any added salt, which makes this meal a very heart-friendly dish. And with about 25 to 35 grams of carbohydrates per serving, depending on the tortillas you choose, this meal is also a great choice for those managing diabetes. While the turkey is simmering, get your toppings ready, and you'll be all set for taco night. Your options for toppings are endless. We've chosen shredded cheese, lettuce, plain Greek yogurt, avocado slices, and salsa. If you like a little heat, you could also add some fresh sliced jalapenos. Serving this meal family style lets everyone make their taco exactly how they like it. Top it off with a little salsa. Can't wait to give these a try. And the best thing is, after you've had these that first time, they reheat so well, and you can use them over a bed of lettuce for a taco salad or over some brown rice for a burrito bowl. So you get to eat them twice. I can't wait. Let's dig in.
Absolutely.